Hello and welcome to Marimba Maniac. Here's a glimpse of our stage, and now let's get over here to where we have the mallets. As you can see, they are grabbable, and you can go over, and it's just started out with our tutorial, which is basically just a C scale to show you the notes, how they would look with their names, and then being able to play each note. Now if you go over here, we have our little menu board. So as you can see with the buttons, you can toggle between songs. I think we have roughly about 15. And then we have two main modes of playing. Here we'll see continuous being played. And as you can see, we have a play and pause button on the controller. And now let's get into listening just a little bit. As you can hear, that's just the classic Star Wars theme song. And so as you can see, it's kind of similar to Guitar Hero, where you have, in the continuous mode, where you have the notes flying at you, corresponding to which note you're supposed to hit. So you have that nice visual cue. You also have the specific note that you're supposed to hit light up. And so once the key gets completely full, that's when it's time to hit the key. As you can also see, once you get more notes correct in a row, those mallets, as you can see right there, the mallets will start to become on fire. And so when you hit the wrong note, they will shut off, and you'll have to build up that streak again. Yep, right there, you just saw it. That fire turn off. And as you'll see later in the video, for this continuous mode, you are able to change the speed at which the notes come at you, along with how fast the song actually plays. Yep, right there you can see the speed being changed. So 3 is about normal, 1 is a lot slower, and 5 is the quickest. And now it looks like we're going to play the national anthem. As you can see, 5 is very quick. And so we have about 15 songs there, as I mentioned previously. With that, it just takes any MIDI file. It's very helpful for those MIDI files to be cleaned up first, as they might have every single note from percussion all the way up to the alto sax in a song, rather than just the melody. And as you can see now, we're playing the Cantina Band on stepped. So with the stepped mode, the note that you're supposed to hit is blue, and then the next note, just so that you know where the next note's going to be going, is that yellow note. So with the stepped, the speed doesn't matter at all, because it's kind of based on the player's speed. So if the player's just first learning, this is a nice way to kind of just go at whatever pace they want. They can go as slow or as fast as they would like. And you can see again with the multiple notes in a row, there is that fire on the mallets. And then for that tutorial, the only mode that you can play is stepped. Again, it's just kind of to help see what some notes are. Eventually it'll be built out so that you can play a whole song, and it can show you all of the notes that you are playing, so you can kind of actually learn the song, not just follow along. as we get to the end here, I'd like to thank you all for watching, and I hope you enjoy our demo.